I honestly feel that brick and mortar is going to start going away with our economy, and people are going to be looking at something a little bit different. Probably baked all my life. My grandmother taught me how to bake and gave me that love and that passion. I own 2 brick and mortars and farmers markets, so I do a lot of work outdoors. We've been thinking about doing a food trailer because we've been doing events and you have to set up the tent. It was probably Chef K that made me choose One Fat Frog because of those videos and the training that he was providing. And sometimes I think I would talk to Chef Killian 4 to 5 times a day in trying to get everything figured out what we needed to get accomplished. I'm just internally grateful for dotting those I's and crossing those T's.